Top 5 Best Bedroom Sets in 2020. Number 5. Roundhill Furniture Regitina 016 Bedroom Furniture Set. The Regitina furniture set from Roundhill Furniture transforms your bedroom with a warm and inviting atmosphere. The classic white color and the timeless cottage design all jive together to create a better and more comfortable place to sleep. Whether you're designing from scratch or just redecorating the corners of your room, the king-size bed, the nightstand, and the dresser with mirror correspond with each other, that enlightens the room's ambiance. Such theme also goes well with classic and contemporary designs or the combination of the two. Each piece is embellished with stylish details and creative carvings that will enhance your bedroom's aesthetic features. Moreover, the furniture pieces are structured with sturdy materials to ensure long-lasting quality. Key features includes a king-size bed, a nightstand, and a dresser with mirror. Made from durable materials to ensure long-lasting quality. Features classic white color for a classic and contemporary style preferences. Features tapered feet and creative framed panels. Showcases a traditional and cottage design. Coming in number 4, Roundhill Furniture B139KDMN2 Oakland 139. This bedroom set from Roundhill Furniture in oak antique finish takes inspiration from elegant furniture pieces that exhibit contemporary and classic aesthetic. The merge of wooden finish and brown hues lends a sophisticated style that will go well with rustic, classic, and vintage decors. Not only do they offer a stylish addition to your room, but also a functional storage space for your things and other valuables. The dresser is designed with a vanity mirror and durable drawers that provide ample storage room. And to fully maximize the function and minimize the clutter in your room, there are drawers on the footboard and the dresser. Key features: contemporary and classic aesthetic. Includes a king bed, a dresser with mirror, and a nightstand. Features aesthetic carvings with soft borders for a more elegant finish. Durable structure. Lends a sophisticated style that goes well with rustic, classic, and vintage design. Has drawers that provide ample storage spaces. Coming in number 3. GTU Furniture Classic Louis Philippe Styling Grey Louis Philippe 4PC. This set includes a queen-size bed, nightstand, mirror, and dresser. It is stylish, elegant, and easy to assemble. Construction: crafted with solid wood, all the furniture pieces have a gray finish which not only looks sober but also fits any interior in a balanced manner. Due to English dovetail construction, all the components of Louis Philippe look stylish and at the same time offer great storage space. Metal slides and handles add to its elegance and give it a retro-modern appearance. Other features: you will be happy to know that the chest, dresser, and nightstand come assembled. Its bed needs minor assembly because it can be ready for use. As it has a gray finish, this set will suit most bedroom interiors. This set comes with additional storage space for your bedroom with 6 drawers on the dresser and 2 on the nightstands. Also, the customer service of GTU Furniture is excellent. If you face any problem, they will assist. If you order from Amazon, you will have added benefit of timely and damage-free delivery. Pros: durable, easy to assemble, spacious. Cons: as it is a set containing multiple items, you should order it from a trusted store like Amazon, otherwise, you might receive a damaged product or something far from the original. Coming in number 2. Roundhill Furniture Ioana 187 Bedroom King-Size Set. This collection is from the same Ioana series that we discussed in our second entry. However, there is a difference in bed dimensions. This one has a king-size bed. Apart from the size of the bed, all other features are the same. It comes with a dresser, 2 nightstands, a mirror, and a chest. Construction: a gray withered finish on the veneer wood combined with smart hardware makes assembling easy. With a straightforward yet modern seaside-inspired appearance, this set adds to the storage space and usefulness of your bedroom. The flat panel design suits your style while the sober design gives a smooth feel. Other features: this set gives you ample storage areas. The chest has 5 spacious drawers, the dresser has 6, and the nightstands come with 2 drawers each. Metallic drawers add to the style while the wooden framed mirror looks elegant as well. Pros: durable, easy to assemble, great appearance. Cons: there is nothing in this set that we cannot like. It is a great bedroom set for modern bedrooms. Coming in number 1. Life Home Premier Classics Cloth Linen Bed. You can place it in the center of a furnished room or place it against the wall. This bed not only gives you a necessary surface to place your mattress, but it also complements your wall color. Moreover, it suits any decor and interior thanks to its style and finishing. Construction. This bed comes with durable slats made of hardwood that support the memory foam or spring mattresses and maintain their durability. Due to their permanent nature, these slats prevent any sagging that may appear in the bed after some years of usage. The main attraction of this bed is its durably constructed elegant headboard designed with linen upholstery. Tufted buttons as well as metal studs accent the modern silhouette and make it look elegant with your other furniture in the area. Due to its size, queen size, this bed has enough space to accommodate couples as well as tall individuals. This product comes with a 5-year warranty, which shows the confidence of the makers. Pros: sturdy linen-covered headboard. Easy to assemble. It gives you all the space you need with your partner. Cons: the instruction manual comes in pictures, which is confusing and unclear for several users.